It's okay, I have taken.
Sales is not 9 to 5 jobs where you are coming and going back. That's good. Sales is a business. You are in a business, there's no time. You got to be persistent in your efforts. Never give up. Unless you have known, you are not going to have this. In our business, 10, 12 people, let 11 people say no to us. Doesn't matter. Because we are not going to meet those 11 people tomorrow again. We are going to find out, 11, 12 people. We are just looking for one person who is going to say yes to us. That's it. Decision is yours. If you think you can, you will. And if you think you can't, you will not. So with experience, once you have the experience, then you have that capability. Then you can easily qualify the person both mentally and financially. Okay, whether he or she can buy our products or not. What we plant in the heart and mind of people last for longer than what we build with our hands. Sales is not just a profession, it's a purpose. If you have pleasant personality, good communication skills, and you go with positive thought that my presentation or my meeting is not going to be win or lose situation, it's a win-win situation. Sales is never a logical thing. You got to get crazy.